That's a lot of chickens.
He's in heaven right now.
Yes, people.
Littles, you are causing a scene, buddy.
I don't think he cares. Nope, not one bit.
You picking just one to take home or all 20?
Looks like all 20. Best day ever for this pup.
Littles, let him have it. He looks so happy.
That is a mountain of Squeaky.
I think that's a real dog in there.
I'm loving it. Listen to those little squeaks. Cute.
Yeah, he's not moving much. Just vibing.
Married in chickens. I don't think I've ever seen a happier pup.
Alright, let's leave him to it.
From bath time blunders to backyard zoomies, the crowd favorite breeds are bringing the chaos. Want more tail wagging madness? Smash that like, drop a comment, and yeah, you guessed it, hit subscribe. More
Boy, yeah, dig it. You see that right there? That's YouPounce.com, brother. The cream of the crop for cool cats and high-flying hounds. Check it out. Step into the madness. YouPounce. Snap into it.
Sliding pups, driving bunnies, pancake bandits, and acrobatic parrots. YouPounce.com is coming this week. Expect it. It's the free place for endless, funny, and heart.
Meet YouPounce.com coming this week. Expect it. The free place for endless, funny, and heartwarming pet videos. It's the TikTok and YouTube of animals, only cuter. Bulldogs, kittens, goldens, cockatiels, you name it. It's all
Coming this week. Expect it. The place for funny, adorable, heartwarming pet moments. Unlimited clips of dogs, cats, and all your favorite furry friends. Totally free forever. It's the TikTok and YouTube of pet videos. Animals only.